Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad Air 30 and I want to show you how add Remove Magnification to this device. Start off opening Settings application when we choose our accessibility selection and their zoom. Now we must turn on this function and we start off our zoom. To change position of it, tap on it and swipe with it on screen. When you use three finger, you can add comment to that. When you double tap, you can turn off it. Double tap two, triple tap three fingers to zoom in, and to change position, double tap and swipe with it on zoom out when you make this feature. To change position in your zoom place, triple tap, use three finger and triple touch to turn off it. But to change position on it, we must use our three finger and swipe with it on screen. To turn off it, triple touch screen using our three fingers. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.